traveling spirits, and welcome to the series where we go to Europe. I'm excited to bring you this new set of videos. As you can see, or maybe not see, I'm currently waiting at the airport for my flight to Munich. It's been delayed for about an hour, so I got some time to kill. Man, I had to find this little corner here to sit and find at least some peace and quiet because it is so noisy in here and there's a lot of people traveling. I tried to go to the gate and it's in a corner and every seat was filled. So now I've got my own little corner here. My parents already gone ahead and they've flown first class. You can probably see it right here to Amsterdam. Wait, hold on. Let's pause this for a moment. Even though I'm about to head to Germany right now, that's not where this all started. Let's go back a couple of days to Amsterdam. Hi, I'm Ray, and my family likes to travel and see new and exciting places, so I thought I would document our adventures and share them with you. Please like and subscribe to support our adventures, and let's get right to it.
Here we stand up in arms. This is home where we are, ever strong in the world that we made. I still hear you in the breeze, see your shadows in the trees, holding on, memories never change.
We start this journey with a flight on the KLM, the Royal Dutch Airlines, and we're flying with plenty of legroom. By using points and the lower popularity of flying out on a midweek day, we set off for Amsterdam in style. This is the part of our travel itinerary where my family will show you around. Thank you to my dad for providing the footage.
How are you? Fine?
Yes, we're good. Yeah.
Good.
So busy, huh?
Look, so many people.
Here
there.
is all time busy.
Yeah.
Arriving in Amsterdam, it was a bit gray and cloudy and close to evening time. But this means we can walk around a bit and take in the city. Nightlife in Amsterdam is vibrant, and if you're looking for a party or just a good time, then check out one of Amsterdam's oldest neighborhoods, the Red District. There are quite a lot of shops, churches, museums, pubs, coffee shops, and no shortage of people watching as they mill about the cobblestone roads.
Kind of is in Amsterdam. We tried to ask them. No. Why not?
Amsterdam is an ideal place for admiring art, and they embrace it fully and protectively. you will be able to see and enjoy works from some of the most popular artists in the world. One of my mom's favorite artists is the world-renowned Vincent van Gogh. And there's a Vincent van Gogh museum here, hosting numerous famous works of his, as well as tributes to his life. This morning, we were supposed to visit the Van Gogh Museum at our ticket time, but jet lag proved to be a challenge and my parents were late by 2 hours. Luckily, the museum let them in anyways. As I said earlier, Amsterdam is quite laid back and they are eager to give you all the chances to enjoy their wide variety of artworks. It is a much different story from when we had tickets to Neuschwanstein Castle in Germany, but more on that later. Let's enjoy a mini walkthrough through this museum. One of my absolute favorite Van Gogh pieces is Sunflowers, 1889. As of when this video is recorded in the year 2023, the Van Gogh Museum is celebrating its 50th anniversary. One of the most iconic and easily recognizable features in Amsterdam is the famous canal waterway system. There are tons of options for boat tours ranging from large to small boats, guided or self-guided tours, rentals, dinner, cocktail cruises, live music cruises. The list can go on and on.
Yeah, you don't believe it. You meet an angel. An angel is watching you. Yeah, it's true. You can see it now, but after the bridge, on the left side, in the sky, you'll see an angel. So you can do a wish.
Een van de snelste manieren om door de stad te reizen. Vandaar dat u ook zoveel fietsen overal geparkeerd ziet staan. Het is één van de grootste parkeerproblemen in Amsterdam. Dagelijks haalt de gemeente honderden fietsen weg die verkeerd geparkeerd staan.
Amsterdam has more bicycles than residents. Wer in Amsterdam wohnt, besitzt eine Fahrrad. Radfahren ist eine der schnellsten Möglichkeiten, die Stadt.
For good use of our limited time here, we opted to take a complete boat tour for a charming overview of the city. It is a longer cruise departing from Central, the main docking for all canal boats. The boat tour we took was 1 hour long, so sit back and enjoy the view. Let's see what we can find on the canals of Amsterdam.
Meine Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen an Bord dieses Rundfahrtboots der Reederei Plus. Während unserer Fahrt erklären wir Ihnen die Bewandtnis der wichtigsten Höhepunkte und Ansichten unserer Route.
Symboliek van de heilige Nicolaas, ook wel de Sint-Nicolaaskerk genoemd. De kerk is vernoemd naar de patroonheilige van Amsterdam, Sint-Nicolaas. De kerk zet zich vooral in voor de zwakkeren uit de stad en speelt een belangrijke rol voor de bewoners in de binnenstad.
To your right is the Basilica of St. Nicholas. The church was named after the patron saint of Amsterdam, St. Nicholas. It devotes itself in particular to the vulnerable people in the city. And has a
Wie die VOC-Reisen etwa verziert. Jetzt dient es als Luxushotel.
Sur la gauche, vous apercevrez la Scheepvaarthuis, maison de la navigation, bâtie par 6 grandes compagnies d'armateurs d'Amsterdam comme siège social. Ce bâtiment est également appelé la maison aux 1000 fenêtres. Le bâtiment est construit dans le style de la célèbre école d'Amsterdam et il est décoré avec des scènes de l'histoire de la navigation comme le voyage de la Compagnie des Indes orientales. Il a maintenant été transformé en hôtel de luxe.
The boat tours provide a leisurely way to travel across the city, get information from the helpful boat guides, and cover large areas quite easily when you have limited time in the city like we do. Unhampered by traffic, you can rest your feet and take great photos as you pass by picturesque boathouses and regular houses along the way. There are more than 100 kilometers of multiple waterways crossing the city. The canals were originally built for transportation and urban planning, but nowadays they are a great attraction for photos, as well as tours, as you travel along the waterways while viewing historic buildings and charming bridges.
Linksboven op de brug staat een heel scheef huisje, het sluiswachtershuisje van de Sint-Antoniesluis. Dit was ooit een van de zeesluizen van Amsterdam. Rembrandt woonde achter het huisje, in het huis met de vensterluiken. Dit is het Rembrandthuis.
On the left, at the top of the bridge, is a very slanted little house, the lockkeeper's house of the St. Anthony Lock. This was once one of the sea locks of Amsterdam.
Nous arrivons maintenant dans le neighbourhood, ou littéralement le canal des seigneurs. Ce canal a été creusé au XVIIe siècle. C'est le long de ce canal que l'on trouve les plus grandes et les plus belles maisons d'Amsterdam.
Grote deuren en kleine bovenramen. Hierdoor lijkt het pand nog groter en hoger. Deze huizen worden nu gebruikt als banken, kantoren en consulaten. Vroeger werden deze huizen bewoond door één gezin. De deur onder de trap was uitsluitend voor het personeel.
We are now sailing the Gouden Bond, Golden Legend, where the richest merchants used to live in the 17th century. What made it big in this powerful trading town obviously had to show it. Their houses have extra large doors and small upper windows. This would make the buildings look even larger and higher. These houses are now used as banks, office buildings and consulates.
Sur la gauche se trouvent deux maisons identiques, l'une à côté de l'autre, également appelées les sœurs jumelles. De l'autre côté se trouvent également deux maisons identiques, appelées quant à elles les frères jumeaux, l'une des maisons les plus étroites d'Amsterdam.
These canals are not only nice to look at, but they are a key influence in both historical importance and a huge influence on the development of the cultural and architectural landscape of the city. It is a scenic backdrop that attracts commerce and tourists from all over the world, and also a symbol of Amsterdam's innovative history.
Zoveel diepen bij elkaar staan. Elke lente strooien meer dan 75.000 diepen een miljoen zaadjes uit over de stad.
The typical tree of Amsterdam is the elm. Elms have stood along the canals for over 400 years, and they belong to our World Heritage. There is no other place in the world where so many elms can be found together. Each spring,
Ein Entwurf von Hendrik de Keyser. Das Gebäude ist außergewöhnlich, weil es völlig symmetrisch in der Kurve der Gracht gebaut wurde.
À gauche, vous voyez la Bartolotira.
Yeah, it's very expensive car.
Amsterdam is known as the city of art and history, a laid-back yet bustling city. The overall atmosphere of Amsterdam is one of being creative and carefree. Here you can relax and explore an old European city filled to the brim with history, culture, and art. The people here cycle everywhere. There is no rush, so just take your time. Well, now it feels like no time has passed at all, and now we have to leave Amsterdam for our next destination. If you're looking for transportation to the airport, here's a piece of advice. Take the train, not the taxi. That taxi ride we took earlier cost over 100 euros for the ride. And my mom had complained that the taxi didn't even drop them off in front of the hotel, but a couple of blocks away. So if you don't fancy paying so much and then even had to wheel your luggage on stone, taking the train only costs 5 euros per person. And with that, we set out for the next leg of our journey. What did you think of Amsterdam? I definitely want to see more of this place next time, but we'll head off to our gate. Our next stop is Munich. But we're not actually stopping in Munich, it's just a stopover. More on that later. See you in the next one.